Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today I'm gonna head out. It's very early, still a little bit sleepy honestly, but we need to get my boy fixed. He's gonna go to Kinney's where I did my mid muffler delete. So you know, if you want to go there, you need to wake up early on Saturdays and make it by 8 when they open, because if not, you might be waiting in the line. So, which is a good problem to have for them. But before we do that, let me get you guys a cold start. Sounds so nice. Let me get in. Let me show you here. Still love that. Nice mod, nice mod. Oop. Music down. Okay guys, so basically we're going there. I'm gonna go there to support him and see and record how his Hellcat is getting. Exactly what kind of work he's gonna get done, I'm not sure. I know he wants to straight pipe it or do something to it. So once we get there, I spoke with him about it. He gave me some ideas, but he needs to talk about pricing, what they can do they have everything in stock. So once we get there and once I know more, I will keep you guys updated. So other than that, let's jump into it. Okay, we're gonna take the Hellcat in. It's gonna do some exhaust work. Damn, sounds good already. It's gonna sound even better after this. In. Got our boy who wants smoke recording his thing. Nice, nice.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, here we see the nice job they did. They took off the rear mufflers and this part stayed, and then this part they replaced for the tunnel ramp. So fantastic job. Let's see how it sounds. Moment of truth is coming up. Let's see how it's gonna sound. And that's not even a cold start. Damn, sounds amazing. Sounds good, man. Pull it out. Gonna do something about those Brembo brakes, because orange is not the way to go, but he's gonna get it painted too. Sounds so much deeper and nicer now. Sounds good, sounds good.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man. Sounds great.
Bad weather day. Two very nice cars getting done. Look how nice everything looks. Got my Widebody Challenger Scat Pack, and we got Who Wants Smoke. It's nice and new to him, Hellcat. Man, both wide bodies looks very great, and we just got this exhaust work done, and we're about to roll out now. Gonna grab something to eat and head to possible car meet if we can get one. So if you want to do some exhaust work, get to Kinney's. He's in North Fort Worth. I will leave his link down in the description. Nice job. At least we can get the car clean, you know. Music. We just washed the cars. We're here. JD pulled up with us. See them shine. Obviously it may rain. Hasn't yet. Prediction is that it should. But we're taking a risk. We'll be cruising. At least it's cool, and we're ready to hit the streets one more time. We ran into a very little problem, nothing too crazy, but unfortunately I have to end the video like this. I don't like to do it, but as we got to Arlington, Texas, my boy Who Wants Smoke, we noticed there was a big freaking nail in his tire of his Hellcat. So, and the bad thing is he didn't have his locking nut socket on him, which he had to go home. I drove behind him for a few miles, just making sure his tire pressure doesn't go down too much, but it was looking steady. So he already texted me that he made it home. I'm almost at my place. Just as the weather got better, you can see the sun is nice and shining, but it is what it is. This is something we couldn't control. There was a nice supercar meet in Arlington, which I wanted to grab some footage, but like I said, it is what it is. So if you still like this video, please drop a like button, and if it's your first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing, and let's see what the next weekend brings for us. See you in the next one. Out.